What's up, DriveTech fam? Welcome back to DriveTech Insights, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. Today we are diving deep into Mahindra's latest off-roading marvel, the five-door Mahindra Thar Rocks. The Rocks isn't just another SUV; it's an evolution in Mahindra's legacy of adventures and freedom, bigger, bolder, and better equipped than ever. This beast starts at an attractive price of 12.99 lakhs ex showroom, but that's just the beginning of what this off-roader is capable of, or what this off-roader brings to the table as well. From robust engine choices to high-end features, cutting-edge tech, let's break it down for you in detail. So let's kick the things off with what's under the hood, because the Thar Rocks isn't just about looking tough, it backs up with the serious power. Mahindra is offering two potent engines for the Thar Rocks, designed to give you all the punch you need whether you are cruising on tarmac or dominating rocky trails. The first one is the 2-liter M Stallion turbocharged engine, churns out a hefty 177 PS of power and 380 Newton meters of torque. The another one is 2.2-liter M Hawk diesel engine, is just as formidable, offering 175 PS of power and 370 Newton meters of torque. Both of these engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. So whether you are a hands-on driver or prefer the ease of automatic, Mahindra's got you covered. And here's where the thing gets interesting. While you can go for the more economical RWD setup, Mahindra hasn't forgotten the adventures, offering 4WD option for those who live for off-roading challenges. So now let's break down the pricing. For the petrol variants, prices start at 12.99 lakhs for the MX1 RWD and goes up to 18.99 lakhs for the AX7L RWD. Diesel variant begins at 13.99 lakhs for the MX1 RWD, and with the higher end AX7L RWD capping off at 18.99 lakhs. Thar Rock doesn't just command respect with its power, it also makes a bold design statement, starting with the iconic 6-slate grille. Mahindra has given it a more aggressive stance, flanked round LED headlamps, equipped with C-shaped DRLs that carve out a unique signature on the road. So the bumpers are finished in silver for that perfect blend of ruggedness and class, while the massive 19-inch dual-tone alloy wheels are both functional and stylish, giving the Thar Rocks an imposing road presence and that side profile. With the rear doors and vertical C-pillar mounted door handles, the 5-door Thar Rock stands out, a redefined yet powerful machine ready for any adventure. The addition of sturdy metal sidestep means getting in and out is a breeze, no matter the terrain you are tackling. At rear, Mahindra has kept things familiar yet modern with the LED tail lights that carry forward the C-shaped motif, along with a robust bumper that completes the rug back. Once inside, the Thar Rocks continues to impress you as well. You will be greeted by a modern blacked out dashboard with a subtle copper stitching that gives it an upscale feel. The white leathered seats are plush and luxurious as well, designed for the comfort on those long drives. They come with a Thar branding embossed right on the backrest, just to remind you that you are in something very special. And that panoramic sunroof, it's a new addition that lets you enjoy the open sky whether you are exploring in a dense forest or cruising on the city streets at night. The extra cabin space in the 5-door Thar Rocks also means more and more room for you and for your loved ones as well. But Mahindra didn't stop at just making the Thar Rocks tough and comfortable. They have loaded it with tech that ensure you to impress. At the heart of the cabin is a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly, ensuring you stay connected no matter where the road takes you. Complementing this is a 10.25 digital driver display which keep all the essential information front and center, making you drive as seamless as possible. And for those audiophiles, Mahindra has gone all out with a 9-speaker Harman Kardon sound system that includes a 560-watt amplifier. So whether you are blasting tunes on solo trips or setting mood for outside adventure, the sound quality won't disappoint you. When it comes to safety, the Thar Rock doesn't cut any corner here as well. It comes with a 6 airbag, hill control, decent control, electronic stability control, a tire pressure monitoring system for those opting for higher variants, You will also get in package the benefit of level 2 ADAS features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, ensuring that whether you are in the city or in the wilderness, you are always protected by the latest tech. And yeah, don't forget the 360-degree camera that makes parking and maneuvering in tight spot easier than ever, an essential tool for city driving or off-roading alike. So for its off-roading capabilities, the Thar Rock remained true to its roots. Its angle are impressive. Firstly, a 41.7 degree approach angle. Secondly, a 23.9 degree breakover angle. And lastly, a 36.1 degree departure angle. These number means that no terrain is too challenging, and with a 650 water wading capacity, the Thar Rocks is ready to take on rivers and streams without breaking a sweat. Whether you are scaling mountains or exploring jungles, this SUV is built to handle it all. Does the Thar Rock stack against the competition? It goes head to head with the Force Gurkha as well as the Maruti Suzuki Jimny and even its own sibling, the three-door Thar. While Gurkha and Jimny offer excellent off-roading capabilities, the Thar Rocks give you more in terms of premium features, space, and tech. It's the ideal choice for those who want to ruggedness of a off-roader but don't want to compromise on comfort and modern features. So there you have it, the 5-door Mahindra Thar Rocks, a perfect blend of adventure, luxury, cutting-edge technology. So what do you think, guys? Is the Thar Rocks the perfect ride for your next adventure? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the latest automobile trends as well as reviews. Thank you so much. This is Aditya signing off. See you in the next one.